Hello students, in this video we are going to learn Unit 6 poem The Road Not Taken, written by Robert Frost. The poet uses the word road as a metaphor in this poem. A road is a choice you have to make in life. Do you know someone who once had two choices before him or her? Was it difficult for him or her which one to choose? Okay, so here the poet has used the word road as a metaphor. So I already taught you the figure of speech where metaphor you will compare two things, okay, without using the word like or as. So here he have compared the life or the choice with that of two road. Okay, so the figure of speech here it is metaphor. So let's see what is given in poem. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveller long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. So he started the poem like two roads diverged in a yellow wood. So two roads are splitting and going, okay, in a yellow wood. Yellow means here it signifies the autumn season. Okay, so autumn season where the leaves used to fall by turning yellow. Wood means forest. Okay, in the forest it is yellow in color by the leaf falling from the tree. Okay, sorry I could not travel both. Okay, being one traveler, he can't go in both the roads. Any one he have to choose before going. So he is standing there for a long time and he looked down as far as he could. Okay, so he is seeing the road as far as he can see. Till that he was seeing. Okay, so it is bent in the undergrowth. So after a few distance he can't see because it is fully covered with trees and bushes. Okay, that's why it is given bent in the undergrowth. So till certain distance only he can see the road, and after that it is fully covered with trees and bushes. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. Then he started to see the other road, which is equally good. Okay, so first he saw one road, then he started to see the other road, which is also equally good, and having perhaps the better claim. Okay, perhaps meaning is maybe. Claim means it is a demanded one. Okay, so it is a better one. So like that a road is there because it was grassy and wanted wear. So the road is grassy and it is not damaged by use. Okay, though as far that the passing there had warned them really about the same. Okay, so the other one is damaged by use. So what's the meaning? One road is not at all used and the other road is it's often used by others. And both that morning equally lay in leaves, no steps had rotten black. Oh, I kept the first for another day. Yet, knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I could ever come back. So on that fine morning, it was equally lay. So in that morning, both the roads are laid with leaves. Okay, so morning he was the first one to go to that road, so it was fully covered with leaves. So he decided to step into the second one. So first one for another day. He thought that the first road he can take up another day. Okay, and he took the second one, but he know that how the way is going to be. Okay, it may come there, both the roads may meet or it may not meet. Okay, he doubted if I should ever come back. He may come back or he may not come back. He may take the other road also, but it is not sure. He don't know whether it will happen or not. Okay, so trodden black means crushed by feet. So he was the first one. No one have stepped on the leaves. So he was the first one to step on the leaves. Okay. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. So here in the last stanza he is telling, I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Okay, so with some deep breath I will be telling that somewhere ages and ages hence. Okay, after a long time, ages and ages hence means after long time I will be telling with a deep breath that two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one which is less travelled by others. Okay, he is not going with other people. Okay, so the road which is often used by others is not selected by the poet. He is going to select the road which is not used by others. He is going to take the road which is waiting for someone to come and crush the leaves. It is fully laid with leaves. So that road he is going to choose. Okay, I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. So he is believing that the road which he choose today is going to make a big difference in his life. Okay, so here whatever the poet has compared with the road, it is not the exact road, it is his choice. He is having two choice in front of him. Okay, so he is telling that he is not going with the choice which others most oftenly choose. He is going to choose the one which is not used by others. So he is going to take a risk by taking a new one. Okay, but he is having a confidence that he will succeed. That has made all the difference. So he is having that confidence in him. Okay, so that is the poem. So here the full poem is fully the figure of speech will be in metaphor. So he is comparing the choice and the road. Okay, so it's a very interesting poem. You all read the poem again. So that's all for this video. Thank you, children.